Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the most amazing vanilla cupcakes. You guys love my cake recipes, and my vanilla cake is no exception. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake version of my famous vanilla cake. To start, you'll need a 1/4 cup of softened butter. Place that into a mixing bowl along with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 3/4 cup of sugar, and beat this together. You want it to be creamy and smooth, so you'll need about 45 seconds of mixing on that. Then we're going to add in 3/4 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you'll want to make a buttermilk substitute, and I'll give you some of those instructions in the video description. Pour that in and add in 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and beat it in. It'll only take about 30 seconds of mixing to get your mixture nice and smooth. Then we can start adding in our dry ingredients, starting with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Our baking powder will interact with the buttermilk to help the cake rise. A little chemistry in action for you. You'll also need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and give that a quick mix in. Before you add in the flour, you'll need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You can also use cake flour if you want a little bit of a lighter cake. Get that in there and mix it in until it's just combined. Once that's mixed in, it's time to fill up our cupcakes. You'll need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then line a muffin tin with those little cupcake liners. Fill each cupcake about half of the way full. Then you just need to bake these in the preheated 350 degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes. I like to test my cupcakes for doneness by giving the top a gentle tap. You can feel the inside this way. If it jiggles, it still needs a little more baking time, but if it feels solid, you'll know it's done. Once your cupcakes are done, you'll want to remove them from the pan and transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once they're completely cooled, they're ready to frost with your favorite frosting. Today, I think I'll use a chocolate cream cheese buttercream. There's more options on my website, and I'll give you some of those links. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.